to start by coming off of the entrance of the room right here, and you're going to run into your bathroom. Now, I do want you guys to make note there is only one sink, and it is not a split bathroom, meaning only one person can be getting ready at a time, but it's not too bad if you can have the kids getting ready in the room. There, like I said, is a sink, your beautiful Disney H2O products as normal, towels, and a nice shower / bathtub for you all to get ready or to give the kids a bath if needed. So we'll head back this way. The closet area is really nice. It's extra large, which means there's plenty of room for all of your clothes so you can unpack. They do have an extra pillow and blanket, a hair dryer. They also do have an ironing board, which is nice. All right, so moving on to the bedroom here, you do have 2 double beds, which are really nice. So you guys can sleep up to 4 here, and then you can also sleep an additional person over here on this day bed, which is nice. So this value resort here at Disneyland Paradise Pier Hotel can sleep up to 5, which is really helpful for some of those little bit larger families. You do have a nice TV here inside this little dresser stand here with plenty of room to go ahead and start putting some of your things, as well as a safe and a little refrigerator. Just make note there are no microwaves here. They do have a cute little Mickey lamp. How adorable. We also have just a standard view, which means we are overlooking the road that is in between the Paradise Pier Hotel and the Grand Californian over there, which we just came from, as well as Disney's California Adventure, which you can see the top of the Ferris wheel right there. And then, of course, you do have a little desk area should you need it. We will actually be doing some work here later. If you guys would like to use us to book your Disney vacation, be sure to head to our website that I'll put on the screen here and fill out a Disney quote, and we would absolutely love to help you get all set with your Disneyland or Disney World or Disney Cruise vacation. So in between 2 beds is this little end table here with your alarm clock and phone. I do want you to note though that I don't see any plugs or USB ports over here, so I'm not really sure where we're going to plug everything in, but I do see them over there by the desk. I know that they have a plug there, but I just don't see any USB ports. Okay, so now that we've showed you our room here at Paradise Pier, I am going to take you around and show you the lobby. Unfortunately, a lot of things are still closed here. They haven't reopened yet. So I'm going to show you what is open. The entire pool deck is also closed. So right now, if you are staying here, you do have access to the Disneyland pools. But let's go check out the lobby. All right, and right off the lobby here, you do have a souvenir shop called Mickey in Paradise. Continuing down from the souvenir shop, you do run into the PCH Grill. However, this is unfortunately still closed, and that is all that is over this way. The Surfside Lounge is unfortunately still closed as well here at the hotel, but it's where you could have gotten things like coffee, quick grab and go things before you go to the park, and then hang out when you get back from the park. So right over there was the main lobby. You do have your elevators here, and then there's a little kid hangout spot where they can watch some Mickey cartoons, maybe while you're waiting on your room, while you're checking in, getting your luggage sorted, anything like that. Cute little hangout spot for the kids. Down from the elevators, there is a little quick grab and go market. Here you can get your coffee in the morning if you should like, right here at these stations. You can grab some snacks, drinks, anything you like, and it is self-checkout. Immediately right away in the lobby, you do have your front desk and registration desk. Now I do want to let you know that while you can mobile check-in for this resort, you do still have to pick up an actual hotel room key. Your door can't open through the Disneyland app like the others. So the 3rd floor pool deck is actually closed right now as well. It's under renovation, but you see they do have a water slide, a children's pool, a larger pool, spa, and then just a little hangout and lounge area. And unfortunately, like I said, that is closed, so we can't show that to you all right now. If you are staying here, you can access the Disneyland hotel pools. That's where you can do your swimming at. I love these fuel rod stations because they are little portable chargers. You pay a one-time $30 fee for this kit, and then you can like trade it in for life. I've traded in mine so many times. I use it at Disney World all the time, and they do have them here in Disneyland as well. Want us to plan your Disney or Universal trip for free? We're a fully licensed and certified travel agency to help you put together the perfect theme park itinerary. Head to our website, www.mainstreetandbeyondtravel.com/quote to fill out your free travel request today.